What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. We're going to go over Solana, guys. It looks like it's gearing up for a price explosion, in my opinion. Currently, we're sitting at 159. We're down about 0.2% on the day, sitting at a market cap of 46.86 billion. 24-hour volume is 3.04 billion. Guys, if you're new to crypto.com, sign up to the world's fastest crypto growing app. You can grab one of their incredible Visa cards where you get cash back in crypto, free Spotify, Netflix, Prime, and travel incentives depending on the level of card that you have. All right, guys, so let's jump into Solana. So we're here on the 4-hour time frame. We had our ascending channel and we broke down. And we came right down to where we formed the channel, which is also a previous swing high. And we created a strong, holy smokes. Got a little friend here. Come here, buddy. Come on. Come on. Say hello. This little guy crawled in today. I don't know his name, but he's hanging out, jumping on the desk. All right, guys. So we came down here to a previous swing high at 148, and we've created a strong level of support. Now we're having a bullish divergence on the 4-hour chart. As you can see here, the price made a lower low while making a higher low on the RSI, signifying the bears are losing strength. And it's the bulls' time to come out and play. So we also have an ascending triangle. Now I'm a patterns trader. I use pattern and divergences as well as volume to determine when to enter a trade. So for me personally, I'll wait for Solana to break about 162, back test it as support, get back above the EMAs on the 4-hour chart before I will enter my trade. But it's a good sign that we're having a bullish divergence here. We created a strong level of support on a previous swing high. We've come all the way down to the bottom of our channel. So in my opinion, we're looking healthy for continuation back to the upside here. If we look at Solana on the daily, guys, we were overextended and we came right back down to the 20 EMA. Just an insane pump here for Solana. Since about July 22nd, we had a pump of 825%. So it's healthy for Solana to be coming back down. Look how overextended we were, how overbought we were on the RSI, and we finally come back down into a healthy range. So in my opinion, we're just gearing up for our next big move up for Solana. So what we can do here is we can take our Fibonacci, if this is our true bottom, from our swing high down to our swing low, and give some future price targets. We have the 1.272 for Solana, which is up here at about 253, and then we have the 1.618, which is all the way up at 298 for Solana. And from the current price, that's a juicy appreciation of about 91%. Hey guys, quick shout out to the Discord. We have over 1,000 members posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. Incredible way to stay ahead of the game on trades and investing opportunities. Price of a coffee. You can sign up through the Patreon. So let's end the video off on the 4-hour time frame. So I would wait for this pattern to be broken. Now, if we do fall down out of this pattern, I would expect us to find support here at 148, but we are having our bullish divergence here. So I don't see us coming much lower than that. I will give you your breakout target for this ascending triangle. It is a bullish pattern, guys. So if we do break to the upside, it would bring you pretty close to the 0.5 on the Fibonacci, which is up at about 175. And then if we did break down, I think it's a little bit more unlikely, but it would bring you down to about 144 for Solana. If we did come down to that level, I think we would bounce back rather quickly due to this bullish divergence and the fact that we've created a strong level of support on this previous swing high. All right, guys, so that's it for Solana. I hope it brought you some value. If it did, smash that like button. I'm just gonna let this cat out. I trade Solana on Bybit. You can sign up. Make sure to sign up to Phoenix as well. Incredible bonuses, 600 for Bybit, over 2,000 on Phoenix, and I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.